Good morning. I'm reporting from Kansas City, and right behind me is the world's largest water slide that we're going to be going on. I just wanted to let you know that there are 3 types and grades of oils. There is therapeutic grade, food grade, and perfume grade. Young Living has 100% therapeutic grade oil, which is pure and can be ingested. If you look on the back of your bottles that you buy from Whole Foods, Coburn's, they will more than likely say do not ingest, do not intake internally. So why would you put those on your skin? It's kind of defeating the purpose of the oil. You will not have the same results as you would if you use a therapeutic grade oil. So the 3rd grade is perfume grade. That's what you find at Bath & Body Works and Bed Bath & Beyond, Aveda. They smell really great, but you can't ingest those. So just make sure you read the back of your labels on all your essential oils and get the facts. And hope you guys have a great Saturday. Wish me luck on that ride. Thanks.